Let's get real. You're not missing opportunities because you're unqualified. You're missing them because no one knows how qualified you are. And that's the real cost of not knowing how to network. Tony Robbins says the quality of your life is the quality of your relationships. In your career, the quality of your next opportunity comes down to who knows your name and what they associate it with. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 strategic, repeatable network moves that turn hidden opportunities into actual offers. Secret number 1, people hire energy, not just resumes. Why does this matter? Tony Robbins teaches that rapport is the ultimate tool for influence. Translation, people trust your energy before credentials. If your only strategy is sending out resumes, you're invisible. You need to create connection before competition. Action step here, reach out to 2 to 3 professionals this week. Start with this. Hi, Mr. Collins. I admire your work in the computer industry. I'm growing my career and would really value hearing how you got started. Would you be open to a quick virtual coffee chat? 15 minutes of energy, curiosity, and presence beats 100 applications. Here's an FAQ. What if I don't have a network? You do. If you've gone to any school, elementary, high school, college, you have an alumni network. Your town has a chamber of commerce, there's meetup groups, or even local industry mixers. Don't just sit behind a screen. Go where people gather consistently. Tony says, proximity is power, but put yourself in the room. So a real life example, a former barista joined a free local women's entrepreneur meetup. 2 months in, someone offered her a part-time marketing role. It turned into full-time. No resume, just being in the right room, showing up and adding value. Secret number 2, it's not who you know, it's who remembers you. Why does this matter? Being connected doesn't count if you are forgettable. Tony teaches that repetition is the mother of skill. That applies to your presence too. Repetition builds trust. Visibility creates opportunity. Here's an action step. Follow up within 48 hours of every event, message, or introduction. Thanks for the convo. I checked out that article you mentioned. Here's what I thought you'd like too. Block off follow-up Fridays to check in with 3 to 5 people a week. Stay visible, stay valuable. FAQ, what if I feel like I'm being annoying? You're not. You're being intentional. Short, spaced out follow-ups show people you're curious, not needy. Keep it brief, relevant, and relationship-centered. Here's a real-life example. One college grad messaged a panelist from a career event, thanked her, and followed up months later with a podcast recommendation. That panelist forwarded her resume to a hiring manager. Boom, interview landed. Secret number 3, conversations create influence. Why does this matter? You can't influence someone who doesn't feel your presence. Tony says to influence someone, you must know what already influences them. That starts with listening, and that means real conversations, not just clicks. Action step here, have 1 real conversation per week. Send a message like, hey, Mr. Jones, I really appreciated your insights on the computer industry. I'm exploring this space and would love to hear more about how you got where you are. Could we connect for a few minutes? FAQ, what if I'm introverted or awkward? Introverts make some of the best networkers. Why? Because they listen. You don't need to dominate a room. You need to show up, ask thoughtful questions, and be real. Authenticity wins. Here's a real-life example. A shy tech intern messaged a product manager she admired. 1 short chat later, that manager became a champion, personally recommending her when a job went. 1 voice note, a dozen applications. Secret number 4, your name is a brand. Why does this matter? Tony says, where focus goes, energy flows. People are focusing on something when they hear your name. What do you want it to be? Reputation is branding, and your brand is built one interaction at a time. Action step here, decide what you want to be known for, then show up as that person. Helpful, resourceful, curious. Then use this line. Is there anyone else you think I should meet who's doing interesting work? Being known as a connector or a student of the game makes you memorable. FAQ, what if I don't have a brand yet? You do. It starts with how you follow up, how you contribute, how you show up. Your reputation isn't built in a day, but it's built every day. Real life example. A new analyst started sharing one industry trend every Friday with her within 6 months. She was known as the market insights person, and she got promoted over peers with more experience. Branding is about behavior, not title. Secret number 5, give first, then why does this matter? Tony teaches the secret to living is giving. You're built by giving value before asking for any. Gratitude, connections, resources, all of it counts. Each week, who can I help? Who can I share a job, recommend a podcast, introduce to people, tag someone in a helpful post. If I don't feel like I have anything to offer, you have your curiosity, your attention, your willingness to connect others. Never underestimate the value of encouragement, and relevance. A real life example. A junior designer helped get a freelance job by passing on it. She couldn't take. 6 months later, that year referred to her major agency. Giving creates every opportunity is already connected to a person. Tony Robbins, success leaves clues. These 5 networking strategies, they are the clue. Stop hiding behind online applications. Stop thinking you're not ready. Building relationships that move. Grab your networking secrets guide below. Message template, weekly checklist, and proven framework can start using today. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone needs to hear it because you grow your network, you grow your net worth.